Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at how you can use HubSpot CRM, and it was basically HubSpot platform and the official website. We're gonna take a look at that. So let's get started. Let's get into it. So what is basically HubSpot? HubSpot is an American developer and marketer of a software products for inbound marketing, sales, and customer service. HubSpot was founded by Brian and Dermesha in 2006, and its product and services aim to provide tools for customer relationship management, social media marketing, contact management, lead generation, web analytics, search engine optimization, so live chat, and customer support. Now we're gonna take a look at that platform. First, you all need to go on Google and type HubSpot.com. Once done, you will see the landing page like this. This is the official page of HubSpot. So now we're gonna take a look at that. Then we're gonna start a free demo account. So you will see the powerful, not or powering finally CMR platform that both powerful and easy to use, create delightful customer experience, have a delightful time doing it. So you will see the CRM platform your whole business will love. HubSpot CRM's platform has all the tool and integration you need for marketing, sales, contact management, and customer service. Each product in the platform is powerful alone, but the real magic happens when you use them together. So you can see the five, I'm gonna say the five different templates. Marketing hub, marketing software to help you grow traffic, convert more visitor, and run complete inbound marketing campaigns at scales. You will see the power feature, lead generation, marketing automation, analytic. And the second template is sales hub, sales CRM software to help you get deeper insight in prospects, automate the tasks you hit, and close more deals faster. You can see the popular features of advanced CRM, meeting, scheduling, payments. The third one is service hub, customer service software to help you to connect with customer, exceed expectations, and turn them into promoters who grow your business. The popular features are tickets, customer feedback, and knowledge base. The fourth one is CMS Hub, contact management software that's flexible for marketer, powerful for developer, and gives a customer a personalized, secure experience. The powerful features are track and drop editor, SEO recommendations, website theme. The last but not least, is Operations Hub. Operations software that syncs your apps, cleans your curators, customer data, and automates process all of the data system, and we team work better together. The powerful features are data sync, programmable automations, and data quality automations. So learn and grow with award-winning support and a thriving community behind you. You don't have to go it alone. Master the inbound methodology and get you most of your tool with HubSpot legendary customer support team and a community of the thousands of marketing and sales pros just like you. You will see the 150 plus HubSpot user group, and there was total of 7 million plus monthly visit, 463,000 plus certified professional, 70K inbound registered attendees, and 1,250 plus integrations, 6 languages, 3.1 million social followers, and 158,000 customers using that platform. So customer in over 120 countries growing their business with HubSpot. That's that sounds pretty good. That sounds very good. 120 in over 120 countries use that platform to start business. So start growing with HubSpot today with tools to make every part of your process more human, and support team excited to help you. Getting started with inbound has never been easier. So let's start with a free demo. You simply click start free or get a demo account. You simply click over that. So get started free. You can continue with Google. Just type your first and last name, Michael Diaz. So right here you can type your email address over here. So simply click on next. First, so you go which industry you are in, construction. What job do you need for that? Construction worker. What's the name of your company? How many people work at your company? 6 to 10. What's your company website? www.regalcapital.com. Simply click on next. Check your email, and once you get the code, you'll be able to access that platform. You can see the landing page. of HubSpot. You can go through with that just take a look and review the that website. If you like that application, just go through with that platform. And if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you so much.